The Court concludes that the duty of states to prevent significant environmental harm applies in the context of climate change, and that this duty forms part of the most directly relevant applicable law. Concerning the duty to cooperate, the Court recalls that it lies at the core of the Charter of the United Nations and has been spelled out in the Foundational Declaration on Friendly Relations. The Court has held that the adoption by states of this text affords an indication of their opinio juris as to customary international law. That observation also applies to the duty to cooperate, insofar as it finds expression in many binding and non-binding instruments relating specifically to the environment. The duty to cooperate is a central obligation under the climate change treaties and other environmental treaties. In view of the related practice of states, the Court considers that the duty of states to cooperate for the protection of the environment is a rule whose customary character has been established. The Court considers that a clean, healthy, and sustainable environment is a precondition for the enjoyment of many human rights, such as the right to life, right to health, and the right to an adequate standard of living, including access to water, food, and housing. The right to a clean, healthy, and sustainable environment results from the interdependence between human rights and the protection of the environment. Consequently, insofar as state parties to human rights treaties are required to guarantee the effective enjoyment of such rights, it is difficult to see how these obligations can be fulfilled without at the same time ensuring the protection of the right to a clean, healthy, and sustainable environment as a human right. The human right to a clean, healthy, and sustainable environment is therefore inherent in the enjoyment of other human rights. The Court thus concludes that under international law, the human right to a clean, healthy, and sustainable environment is essential for the enjoyment of other human rights.